Well, the Senate's tax cut proposal is much more modest than the one being proposed by the House. It is a numbers fight right now here at the state capitol, with the leadership on both houses seemingly standing firm on their ideas of how taxes should be cut here.
Income tax elimination, that's the target.
Senate Finance Committee debate Tuesday over a plan to remove the 4% tax bracket, slash the grocery tax, and give residents a rebate.
We feel like our numbers are in kind of in line with leaving a cushion just in case things don't work out as everybody thinks they are.
But the House is holding fast to its plan that would eliminate the state income tax within 10 years.
If you do the math, you're going to see that the House plan is tremendously better than what I understand to be the Senate plan.
House Speaker Philip Gunn says the House plan would do away with the state income tax and give more money back to residents when they purchase a car tag, $50 as opposed to $5 in the Senate plan. But the House plan continues to receive criticism for the proposal to increase the sales tax from 7% to 8.5%.
Well, the only thing that we do is raise the sales tax $0.015. But the overall net effect, when you return the amount of money that we're giving back to the taxpayers, that far outweighs any expense they would incur in the increase of a modest, slight increase.
What we're doing is we're taking a measured approach, and we're doing something we believe is fiscally responsible, and it puts us in a position in 4 years to come back and assess this environment, assess the economy, see where we are, and we can proceed forward.
The House plan does put more money back in taxpayer pockets, $251 million in year one. But if passed, it would increase what you spend for sales tax. The Senate plan would take about $316 million out of state spending here, and it would reduce the grocery tax from 7% to 5%. There's also a proposal for a one-year tax rebate where people will get anywhere between $100 or $1,000 back, but that's only a one-time deal. Both sides will have to work out a compromise if either side has any real hopes of passing a tax cut plan here. Live at the state capitol, Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.